Hi everyone and welcome to the Make Money Show channel. Today we are looking at possibly the most popular YouTube digital course going around right now. But before we dive in and do the review, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. Okay, today we are looking at the Tube Mastery and Monetization course by a young entrepreneur by the name of Matt Parr. Now Matt started earning money online at the very young age of 12. At 14 he had a YouTube channel and made lots and lots of videos. Finally, Matt had a video go viral. That particular video got thousands and thousands of views. That's when Matt knew the full potential of the YouTube platform. When Matt was 16 he was making thousands of dollars every month on YouTube. He was earning more money online as a teenager than his parents were earning combined. Over the next couple of years, Matt committed more time and effort into his YouTube channels and is now a highly regarded expert when it comes to all things YouTube. Already he has 3 of the YouTube play buttons that come with reaching thousands of subscribers to his channels. Now in this course that has been designed for the complete beginner right through to professional YouTubers, you have a guided step-by-step walkthrough each session with crystal clear instructions on how to start your channel from scratch, do some research on the niche that you are interested in, followed up by Matt's unique way of getting the right keywords for that niche, implementing those keywords in your channel setup, and once you have that done it is set and forget. Matt will also share his knowledge as far as the other tools that you can use to fully optimize your channel. These tools are completely free and very easy to use. You will discover how to correctly read all of your channel's data and analytics so as to make sure that if you do have a video that becomes popular or even better goes viral, you will know how to double down on the next video to fully optimize you have repeat success. Matt also gives you a complete list of all the most popular niches and even scripts for you to use on your own personal channel. Matt will even share his most favorite way to monetize his and your channel. Now most people will stumble around the internet looking for a get-rich-quick scenario of which there is none. This business model has been tried and tested by not only Matt Parr but by hundreds of his students that are absolutely crushing it on YouTube. It doesn't matter if you are 18 or 80, if you have a computer and an internet connection and follow the very simple to understand modules within the Tube Mastery and Monetization course, you have the potential to create hundreds if not thousands of dollars every month, depending of course on how much time you put in. Now you could probably try and do the whole YouTube thing on your own, but let's face it, why would you? Matt has the skills and the track record of proof that he is the best YouTube expert going around. Do you want to know how to use royalty-free videos so that you don't have to worry about any copyright issues, and getting your YouTube channel shut down? It is all inside this course, and let's face it, for a few $100s, it is insane value. So do yourself a favor, check out the link in the description and watch the totally free training that Matt has provided, and I'm sure once you watch that free training it won't be long until I see you on the other side. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.